Life is short. Quit. I don't just mean quit your job, quit smoking, or quit crop dusting aisles at the grocery store. I mean, quit all the things that don't matter. And yes, there are a lot. If you didn't realize the importance of this idea before COVID, you should have understood or at least seriously contemplated it during and after. Your life is special. Time is our ultimate resource when it comes to life especially. Not money, not fame, time. As a seasoned human being at this point in my life, I know firsthand that life is way too short to spend it running around in circles, doing things that don't matter for people who don't care. We don't have the time to spend doing somebody else's crap work, even if they think that we should. So quit living somebody else's life. None of us deserve the stress of carrying unrealistic expectations from somebody else. We deserve the time and the space to test our limits and to produce things that actually make a difference. Your vision and your goals are worth pursuing more than some middle management job. So quit doing things that are counterproductive to your own happiness. Quit doing things that are counterproductive to your own impact. Most of us are taught that quitting is bad. They say winners never quit and all that yada yada. But I've seen tons of wasted effort go into things that never improved. So sometimes quitting is the answer. In actuality, at least from what I've seen, losers never quit. Quitting is hard and losers only do things that are easy. Losers go down with the ship because they're afraid of the ocean. Losers let other people dictate their worth and can even start to think that they're lucky for the little bit of scraps that they get. And I'm still not just talking about a job. I'm talking about in relationships. I'm talking about in friendships. I'm talking about in business, even in self-improvement. Anything where you have to represent yourself and fight for your own real value. Now, I know this because I've been a loser. And I mean a real loser. I'm talking a big time grade A certified loser. Until one day I just decided to quit. I quit selling myself short and started ruffling a whole lot of feathers. Quitting is knowing your worth and refusing to take less. So be a quitter. Be a quitter. Quitters are people who have the good sense to bet on themselves. Quitters take risks. And quitters figure things out when there's not a perfectly laid out blueprint for success. Nobody ever remembers the people who stay and conform. Only the people who quit. And the people who get fired too. So I'm telling you to do more of that. Quit. Quit your routine. Quit people pleasing. Quit giving yourself excuses for being mediocre. Quit respecting other people more than you respect yourself. Quit waiting for all the answers to fall in your lap. Quit waiting for somebody else to give you permission to live your own life. There is a big difference between surviving and living. And quitting is the dividing line. Quit the things that don't matter. Pursue the things that do. And always educate yourself to become more valuable. Because not knowing how to do something is okay. Doing something you don't believe in is not, honestly.